Hello again, how are you? How are you doing? I wish that everything was clear and okay with you. I wish that you will join as soon as possible your classroom and you will do your homework, okay? As your teacher is working now with you, you should revise and do your best, okay? And start taking notes, okay? Now matrix for enlargement or for dilation. Dilation. Okay, means what? Enlargement means to enlarge a shape. We need what? We need the center of the enlargement and what? And we need, my kids, the scale factor. Means that if you have a shape, you want to make it bigger. You need a center of enlargement and a scale factor. Okay, that helps you to enlarge this shape. Okay, matrix for enlargement. Let AC, A, B, C, D represent the matrix for dilation or enlargement. You can, my kids, now derive the matrix for dilation or enlargement with a scale factor. With a scale factor. Okay. K, the scale factor is K. Okay. About the origin. The object A of coordinates xy is mapped into kx, ky. For example, if I have a point A of coordinates 2, 3 and B of coordinates, for example, 2, 1. This line segment, I will do it here. 2, 1, okay. For example, 2, 1. Okay, this one and the next 2, 3. For example, this one. Okay. This is B and this is A. I want to make this larger. I need a center. Okay? And I need a scale factor. If now the scale factor is, for example, 2. Okay, so you will just multiply 2 by 2, then 2 by 3, then 2 by 2, then 2 by 1. Okay, so we thought that XA of coordinates XY is mapped into KX, KY. This one, it will be what? A prime, I will just write it here. A prime is what? A prime, for example, is, I will multiply the X coordinates by 2, it will be 4. Then y prime, I will multiply what? I will multiply 3 by the scale factor, it will be 6. So, the image of A is A prime for 6. I will multiply the X and Y coordinates by the scale factor. Okay. So, now let's do it. This is 0, 1, 0, the point 1, 0. Okay? Maps to what? Maps to K multiplied by 1 is K. 0 is the same, not change, because K multiplied by 0 is K. Hence that the matrix that transforms this point to its image is written as matrix equation or form matrix. So I will now multiply A by 1 is A. Equal K, good boy. Then C equals 0. Why? Because you can equate both so we can write here A equals K and C equals 0. Why? Because both matrix AC and K0 are equal and have the same order. So try to equate their corresponding entries. Okay, this is for the point 1, 0. For the next point, my kids, 0, 1. 0, 1 will maps into 0K. Why? Why, my kids? Because we told any point of coordinates A, X, Y will give A prime of coordinates Kx, Ky. Just multiply the scale factor by the X and the Y coordinates. Okay, 0 multiplied by K is 0. 1 multiplied by K is K. Okay, hence that the matrix A, C, B, D that transform this point to its image is written as this one, matrix form or matrix equation. Okay, so multiplying means what? Means I multiply this by 1, by 0, 1. A multiplied by 0 is 0, no need to write. B plus 1 multiplied by 1 is B. I will just write B here. Then C by 0 is 0, D by 1 is D. Equal what, my kids? Equal 0k. So, both matrices 0k. This is 0k. So, both matrices are equal and have the same order, 2 by 1. So, shall I equate what? Shall I equate, my kids, their corresponding entries? Yes. B equals 0 and D equals k. So now I found what? I found A, C, and I found also BD. So I can write my matrix for dilation or enlargement about the center, okay, with a scale factor of k. So we can write that. The matrix for enlargement with the center origin and the scale factor k is k0 or k0, 0k. This is the matrix. If you would like now to transform any point, you should multiply this matrix by the coordinates of the point. You will find what, my kids? You will find immediately and numerically the point, the coordinate of the image point. Okay. We continue. Okay, for example, I will do this for you. The matrix for enlargement with the center has center 0, 0 has coordinates L 0, 2, M negative 3, 3, and N 2, 5. Determine coordinates of the image of this triangle in the LMN in the enlargement with center 0, 0 with a scale factor. Okay, we told that the matrix that transforms this point to its image is matrix of enlargement. Okay, or matrix for enlargement. Center is 0, 0 and K scale factor is K. But here the scale factor is what? Is 2. So I will give you the general formula. It will be, we told that it will be K, K0 and 0K. This is the matrix, the general matrix. Okay, my kids? Just the scale factor now is K, is 2 here. So just write it as 2, 0, 0, 2. Okay? Multiply by what? Multiply by the coordinates of L, which is 0, 2. So 2 multiplied, it will be 0. Okay? And this one multiplied by this, it will be, just a moment, clear all. Clear all. Okay. We continue. We have 0, 2, negative 3, 3. 0, 2, negative 0, 2. Negative 0, 2, negative 3, 3. Okay. Negative 3, 3. Then what else? We have 2, 5. 2, 5. This is L, M, N. Okay. So, we told that the matrix for enlargement is K0, then 0K. Okay? I will try to find the coordinates of the image. I will multiply this matrix by this one. But k here is what? Is 2. So I will just write what, my kids? I will write 2, 0, 0, 2. Multiply by 0 to 2. Okay? This one should be equal. 2 by 0 is 0. 0 by 2 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Then 0 by 0 is 0. 2 by 2 is 4. So therefore, hence that A of coordinates what? Oh, sorry, not A. So we told that L of coordinates 0, 2. Okay, it will map to what? To 0 to L prime 0, 4. Means what, my kids? Means that 0, 4 means you multiply 0 by 2, it will be 0. Then 2 by 2, it will be 4. Okay? The next one, also the same 2, 0, 0, 2, multiply by m, negative 3, 3. So this one gives what, my kids? This gives negative 6. 2 by negative 3, negative 6. Plus 0 by 3 is 0. Negative 6 plus 0 is negative 6. Then this one multiplied will be this one. So hence that m of coordinates, we told negative 3, 3, maps to what? To m prime of coordinates negative 6, 6. Why? Because we multiply the coordinates by the scale factor. Why? Because the formula, if a of coordinates x, y, so in the enlargement of center, in the enlargement of center 0, 0, and scale factor k equal to, okay, just or scale factor in general, okay, we'll make it general for scale factor k. So it will be maps to a prime kx ky. Okay, let's see the general formula. Okay, so the next one, my kids, it will be 2, 0, 0, 2. Okay, of coordinates what? N is to 5. Okay, is to 5. So just this one equals, sorry, 2 by 2 is 4. This is 10. So hence that n of coordinates what? 4, 10. Of coordinates 2, 5 maps to what? Maps to n prime 4, 10. Means that you multiply the x coordinate which is 2 by 2, it will be 4. Then you multiply the y coordinates 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is 10. Okay? Okay. Now I change these numbers. Okay. Okay. This is 1. This is 2. This is 1. So we have 3 points. L of coordinates 0, 1. Then m of coordinates negative 2, 3. And n of coordinates 2, 1. I will try to enlarge this one. Okay? About the center 0, 0, scale factor 2. Okay? So we start. The matrix for enlargement with the center 0, 0, because enlargement or dilation has enlargement and has scale factor. And scale factor 2. Okay, is what, my kids? We thought is 2, 0, then 0, 2. To find the image of this point LMN, just multiply this matrix by the coordinates of this one. One by one, you'll find them. So I'll just write here 2, 0, 0, 2, multiply the first one, L is 0, 1. Then move to the next one. We have 2, 0, then 0, 2, multiplied by what? Multiplied by M. It will be negative 2, 3. Then move to the next one. So 2, 0, 0, 2, multiplied by N of coordinates 2, 1. Okay, 2, 1. Now I will calculate. Okay, let's do this. So, 2 multiplied by 0 is 0, plus 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 multiplied by 0 is 0, plus 2 by 1 is 2. Okay, so in that L of coordinates 0, 1, it will map to L prime 0, 2. Means you multiply 0 by 2 gives 0, you multiply 1 by the scale factor is there, 2, it will be 2. Good boy. Then the next one, 2 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 4. Then 0 multiplied by this gives 6. Why? 2 multiplied by negative 2 gives negative 4. Plus 0 multiplied by 3 gives 0. Negative 4 plus 0 gives negative 4. This one, 0. 0 multiplied by negative 2 is 0. Plus 2 by 3, 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. Hence that, L of coordinates, L this is M. M of coordinates. M of coordinates what? Negative 2, 3. Okay, negative 2, 3. Maps to what? To negative 4, 6. Meaning that negative 2 multiplied by 2. 2 is scale factor. Okay? Is a scale factor. Negative 2 multiplied by 2 gives negative 4. 3 multiplied by 2 gives 6. Okay? Then last one, have what? This multiplied by this 2 by 2 is 4, plus 1 by 0 is 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. This one multiplied by this 0 by 2 is 0, plus 2 by 1 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. So, I multiply 2 by 2 gives 4. Why? Because the scale factor is 4. Is 2, sorry. I multiply 1 by 2 gives 2. Why? Because the scale factor is 2. So, hence that N of coordinates 2, 1. Okay, maps to 4, 2. Okay, so this is 4, 2. This is negative 4, 6. And this one, 0. Okay, as a conclusion, under the reflection, not the reflection, under the enlargement, under the enlargement, enlargement about the center scale factor 2, triangle LMN is mapped to the triangle at prime and prime and prime, where L prime is 0, 2 and M prime has coordinates of negative 4, 6, and D and N prime has coordinates of 4, 2. Okay. Okay. Here we have 1, 1, 3, 3. 1, 1, 3, 3. 1, 1, 3, 3. 1, 5. Okay, this is L. This is M. This is N. Okay, I will try to transform this matrix. So, the matrix for enlargement with center 0, 0, scale factor 2 is what? Scale factor is what? Is 2. So, just put here 2, 0, then 0, 2. To find the coordinates of this point, just multiply this by that to find M prime. To find M prime, multiply the matrix by this one. To find N prime, multiply the matrix by the coordinates of it. Let's do it. So I'll just all the matrix as it is, 0, 2. Okay, then 2, 0, 0, 2, then 0, 2, 0, sorry, and 0, 2. Multiply by what, my kids? The first one, 1, 1. The second one, 3, 3. The third one, 1, 5. Now I will calculate it. Okay. Look. This one multiplied by that. 2 by 1, 2. Plus 0 by 1, 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. Good boy. 0 multiplied by 1 is 0. 2 by 1 is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. So this one, our coordinates are 1, 1. It will be 2, 2. Why? Because you multiply 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2 gives 2. Then the next one. This multiplied by that. This one multiplied by that. 2 by 3 is 6. Plus 0 by 3, 0. 6 plus 0, 6. Good boy. Then this one also. This multiplied by that. 0 by 3, 0. Plus 2 by 3, 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. So I can write M. This is M, my kids. M of coordinates. 3, 3. Okay. 3, 3. Maps to M prime of coordinates 6, 6. You can notice that 3 multiplied by the scale factor 3 by 2 gives 3 by 2. 3 by 2 gives 6. 3 by 2 gives 6. So this one is the coordinates of M prime. The next one, this one multiplied by that. 2 by 1 is 2. Plus 0 by 5 is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. Then this one multiplied by that. 0 by 1, 0. 2 by 5, 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. Means that you multiply 1 by 2 is 2. 5 by 2 is 10. So N. Okay, N. N of coordinates what? 1, 5. Okay. So maps to what? 1, 5. Maps to what? To 10. Now into the enlargement, triangle LMN is mapped into triangle L prime and prime and prime, where L is what? 2, 2. M is what? 6, 6. And N prime is 2, 10. Okay? Okay. For example here, the matrix for enlargement with the center 0, 0, scale factor 3 is, scale factor 3 is 3, 0, 0, 3. Good one. And the points of coordinates, the points L, M, N of coordinates 1, 4, M is 1, 4, then L and 4, this is L, 1, 4, then M of coordinates 3, 4, and C of coordinates, C of coordinates 6, 7. Six, 7. Okay. 6 not clear. 6, 7. Okay. One, 4. Okay. 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay. Look here. To multiply this, 3 by 1 is 3. Plus 0 by 4 is 0. 3 plus this one, correct. It will be 3. Then 0, 3, 0 multiplied by 1, 0. Plus 3 by 4 is 12. So, hence that of coordinates 1, 4, 1, 4 is 3, 4, 12. Why? Because the scale factor is 3. I should multiply by 3 other numbers. 1 by 3 is 3. 4 by 3 is 12. The next one. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. 0 by 4, 0. 9 plus 0 is 9. Correct. Then this one multiplied by that. So 0 by 3 is 0 multiplied by 3 is 0. Plus 3 by 4 is 12. 12 plus 0 is 12. And that M of coordinates 3, 4 maps to what? Maps to M prime of coordinates 3 by 3, 9. Then 4 by 3, 12. Okay? So this is correct also. Then the last one. Here we have what? We have 3, 3, my kids. 3, 0, and this is 0, 3. Multiply by what? By 6, 7. By 6, 7. 6, 7. Okay? So 3 by 6 is 18. Then 3 by 7 is 21. Okay? Now, the coordinates of the point 6, 7, just multiply this by 3. It will be what? It will be 18. Okay, plus this one. And prime of coordinates 6 by 3, 18, and 21. Now, you can, let's say, write down in the enlargement triangle L is mapped into triangle L prime and prime and prime, where L prime is 3, 12, 9, 12, and the last one is 18, and prime of coordinates 18, 21. 18, 21. Okay? The next. So thank you for listening. Okay, I wish my kids that today will get enjoy watching your third lecture. Okay, and please don't forget to join your classroom. Okay, because there are so many works there inside the classroom to do it. Okay, thank you for that. Goodbye.